These are the 5-6 important formulas I have given to you. There is the algebraic sum or difference is called the compound. So we can have sine, cos, tan. And the rest of the three, as I said, they are the reciprocal. From this, you can find out the values of 15 and 75. Only these are the two values just I'm finding. And some solved examples we people have discussed. Clear? We'll try to continue the same topic by taking different examples today. Let's have the discussion of the questions from the same topic. There is sine of a plus b, sine of a minus b, cos of a plus b, cos of a minus b, tan of a plus b, tan of a minus b. Clear? Let's see. Just we can have the examples only by making use of those formulas which I have given to you. The first example for today. Let us observe the formulas and you can proceed. You can apply the formula for finding the required value. Sine 40 degrees 35 minutes. Cos 90 degrees 19 degrees 25 minutes plus cos 40 35 sin 19 25 is equal to how much? The options will be given as like this: 1 root 3 by 2, the third one 0, fourth one is minus 1. Let's observe the formulas and you can proceed.
Sir, should we solve, sir?
Yes. 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. This is the point he has given. 60 minutes, we can take it as 1 degree. Yes, Ritvik, any formula? Can we have any formula?
No, sir. How minutes and degrees are linked, sir?
In the first class, I have given to you. In the first class itself. Once you can see the first class. Manogna, any formula? Can we apply any formula? Is visible in this question. Any formula?
Sir, can I?
Yes, Shashank. Formula. Only formula.
Sir, first we should add sine and cos, and we should take the values from the trigonometric table, sir.
So, what is the formula? Manogna?
Sir, sine A, you told that one, sine A cos B plus
Very
cos
good.
A sine B.
Yeah, this is the formula. Cos A sin B. As I said, before started this class, as I said, I've shown the 6
Sir, the answer is B, sir.
formulas which I have
Yes,
given
sir,
in the
this is the
previous
first
class.
one.
Second one option, sir.
Your answer is second option. Rohan is also second option. Let's see. It is the formula of sin of A plus B, sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, sin of A plus B. This is equal
40
to sin
degrees, 35
of
minutes.
A value is 35, 19, 40, 35. So we have first 40, 35. 40 degrees, 35 minutes plus 19 degrees, 25 minutes. If you are adding these two, how much you are going to get? It is sin 60 or not? It is 60 degrees.
Sir,
Absolutely, it is root 3 divided by 2.
Sir, you kept
Second
wrong,
option.
Sir, you kept to degrees, minutes for degrees and degrees for minutes. It's 40 degrees, 35 degrees, and 19 minutes, 25 minutes.
40 degrees, 35 minutes, 90 degrees, 25 minutes. See the question and you can proceed. This is the value of A and this is B. Hope it is clear.
So can you once again explain the second step?
It is sine of A plus B. You can add these two. This is the formula already I have given the previous class. Sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. It is sine of A plus B. We can add these two. You will get 60 degrees.
Sir, that is general addition.
Yeah, addition of these two. Only sine of A plus B. Sine A cos B plus cos A sine B formula we can use. Sine of A plus B. 40 plus 19, how much? 59. And these two, if you are adding the minutes, it will become 1 degree. 59 plus 1 degree will be what? You will get 59 degrees, 60 minutes. This is equal to 60 degrees. Clear? As I said, 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. In the bracket already he has mentioned 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. Clearly he has mentioned. Clear? Moving to the second question. Cos of n plus 1 alpha, cos of n minus 1 alpha plus sine of n plus 1 alpha sine of n minus 1 alpha is equal to how much? We have the options. The first option is cos of 2n alpha. The second option is sine 2n alpha. Third option, cos 2 alpha. Fourth option will be given as sine 2 alpha. Just you can see any formula is behind this question and you can able to apply that formula.
Sir,
Cos A minus B, sir.
cos
Sir,
A
fourth
plus B, sir.
formula, sir.
Cos A
Cos
plus B,
A
sir.
minus B.
A minus B, sir.
I'll ask you guys, okay? So suppose if all of you just involving, just we cannot listen what you are saying, okay? So I'll ask you one by one, no problem. Just Rohan, Ritvik and Manogna, they said that it is cos of A minus B. So let's observe if you are perfect in the formulas. So cos A, cos B plus sin A, sin B.
Sir, answer is
Cos
cos
A,
and
cos
alpha.
B, sin A, sin B. This is
Sir, I
equal
think the
to
formula is cos A plus B, sir.
Sir,
cos
option
of A
4.
minus B. This is A and it is B. If you are observing that this is A and it is B. So entire A value is how much? N plus 1 times of alpha minus n minus 1 times of alpha. Wait.
Answer is 3.
So you can multiply, you can distribute it. N alpha
Option 2, sir.
plus alpha minus n alpha minus of minus alpha. So n
Sir,
alpha cancel.
One
If you are
plus one
observing that 2 alpha.
cos.
So outside we have cos, outside we have cos, and outside we have cos, guys. It is a cos 2 alpha. Option 3 is the required answer. So first you can able to apply the formula, which formula are going to use for this question, and then we'll go for the solution, right? So first, once you have to check any formula is involving in this question, the formula is applicable, we can make use of that particular formula. Let's have the discussion of the next question. Hope these two questions are clear, guys. Next, problem number 3.
Sir, in the
And as I
third
said,
line, it is cot or it is cos, sir?
where the formula I have given cos, from where you are getting cot.
No, sir, down one. I can't understand
No,
that word, sir.
whatever it may be, that I'm taking cos, how we can get cot? Can we have any relation?
No, sir, I think you wrote it as cot.
It is
Down,
cos
sir.
only. So in between, how you will get cot? Just you think over it. How you will get cot? Okay. It is cos only. The entire part is cos only. Next, sine of theta plus alpha is equal to cos of theta plus alpha is then find the value of tan theta. He's asking tan theta, but that is also in terms of some sine, cos, tan, like that. We have the options, no problem. I'll try to give the options. So he's asking only tan theta, guys. I'll give the options here. 1 plus tan alpha divided by 1 minus tan alpha. This is the first option. And the second one, 1 plus sine alpha divided by 1 minus sine alpha. And the third one, 1 minus tan alpha divided by 1 plus tan alpha. Just meanwhile, you can able to solve this question. And the fourth one, 1 plus cos alpha divided by 1 minus cos alpha. So if I'm thinking that the combination of the sine and cos will be tan only, so I can get option 1 or option 3. I don't want to get that second and fourth one because I cannot have the common value as tan theta. So tan theta means only will get when we have a sine upon cos. So let us divide both sides of this equation by cos of theta plus alpha. So divide by cos of theta plus alpha to get tan. Divide by cos of theta plus alpha. Why you are dividing? To get tan function. So sine of theta plus alpha divided by cos of theta plus alpha. Cos of theta plus alpha is equal to cos of theta plus alpha divided by cos of theta plus alpha. Completely divided by cos of theta plus alpha. Right side you will get cancelled 1 and left hand side sine upon cos. Remember guys, the value which is in bracket, we kept in bracket should be same, then only you will get tan. Suppose sine of theta minus alpha, cos of theta plus alpha. The angular values must be same. The value which is in bracket must be same, then only you will get tan. Tan of same angle theta plus alpha. Right side is what? 1. We can observe one formula, that is tan of A plus B. That is tan A plus tan B. I can make use of the formula divided by 1 minus tan A tan B. 1 minus tan A tan B is equal to the right side value is 1 or not? It is 1. So we require tan theta. So I can take the denominator function on right hand side. Tan theta tan alpha will be left only. The rest of the part I can take right. That means 1 into anything will be 1. That is 1 minus tan theta tan alpha. Okay. So the theta term should be on left hand side. The rest of the part will be on right hand side. Let us see. This tan theta tan alpha should be left and only tan alpha will be on right. Already tan theta we have on left plus tan theta tan alpha. Already we have 1 on right hand side. This tan alpha will be on right hand side. That is 1 minus tan alpha. If you are observing that which option? Option C, that is a 3 is correct. Third option is correct. Without taking any value in denominator. If you want, you can proceed to the next step. If I'm taking tan theta as common, 1 plus tan alpha. we are taking tan theta as common. Tan theta common means nothing is there in the first part. You will get just 1. And here already we took tan theta as common. I'll get tan alpha is equal to 1 minus tan alpha. So from this, what is tan theta? Is equal to 1 minus tan alpha divided by 1 plus tan alpha.
Sir,
So just within, just 1 second, please. Within 1 or 2 steps, I got the answer. Because the requirement you have to observe tan. Tan means only will get when we have sine upon cos. First, I can make use of sine upon cos. So we can get only by dividing cos of theta plus alpha on both sides. Sir, why you are taking cos of theta plus alpha? Can we use any angle? No, I cannot use because sine of theta plus alpha, cos of theta plus alpha is there. So common angle I can consider, I can take, that is cos of theta plus alpha, I can divide both sides. And after that, it is same as the formula, that is tan of A plus B. It's look like tan of A plus B, tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. And this denominator function I can take on right hand side because we require tan theta. After taking that value on right hand side, keep theta expressions will be on one side. Take tan theta common and rest of the part will be on right hand side. Yes, please. Any doubt? Manogna, Ritvik.
sir,
Yes.
sir, in the first green color handwriting,
Yeah.
sine theta plus alpha by cos theta plus alpha is equals to, how it can come as a cos theta by alpha, cos theta plus alpha
No.
by
What I am doing? This is your expression or not? This is given to you. Yes.
yes, sir.
This expression is given to you. Both sides we are dividing by cos of theta plus alpha.
Why only we have
Suppose
to divide with only cos, sir?
yeah, we only cos. That's why you are dividing only with cos means to get a tan. Sine by cos is tan. I cannot divide with the sine. Sine by sine is what? Cancel. Cos by sine is what? It is cot. I need to get tan. To get tan, sine by cos only you have to do. Denominator should be cos. Then only I'll get tan. If you are dividing with any other expression, you will not get tan. You will get other expression, other trigonometric ratio. Clear? Manogna. Any doubt? Rohan?
No, sir.
Linesha? Girish? Any doubt? I'll go for the next question. Can we go for the next question, please? Let's have the discussion of the next question. It's a little bit, I mean, remember guys, these are the questions we are taking from competitive examinations that can be held, that NTSC examinations, what we can call, and few of the questions from 11th standard also. In 10th standard, you can able to appear for NTSC examinations. It is national level competitive exam to get the seat in national colleges in 11th standard. So these are the questions I am selected from the NTSC exam. That means it's like a maths Olympiad. And few of the questions from 11th standard. Okay, so let's moving to the fourth one. And
Sir, once can you scroll up?
the next question, fourth one. If sine A is equal to sine A is equal to 12 divided by 13. Next, cos B is equal to minus 3 divided by 5. So we have restricted 0 less than A less than pi divided by 2, 0 less than, sorry, pi less than B less than 3 pi by 2. We have restricted. Then find the value of sine of a plus b. Find the value of sine of a plus b. So I don't know what is the value of sine of 12 by 5. I don't have this value in trigonometric table, but I can make use of the right angle triangle for finding any trigonometric ratio, other trigonometric ratio. I can make use of the formula sine of a plus b means sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. Yes, this is the formula sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. He has given sine a value. What is sine a? This is clearly given to you, 12 divided by 13. Cos b value is also given to you, minus 3 divided by 5. What is cos a? Cos a is not given. Sine b is also not
Yes,
given.
sir.
I can make use of right angle triangle. I can make use of right angle triangle. Suppose if I'm taking this is A, B, and C. Here it is your angle. Sine means it is opposite to theta, hypotenuse. Make use of right angle triangle. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. BC square.
Sir,
We
we'll
require
get
BC
5.
square. Yeah, you will get 5. We can make use of AC square. It is 169 is equal to AB square value 144, 12 square plus BC square. So BC square value is how much? 169 minus 144. It is 25. But
5 squares.
BC, it is equal to 5 only. I get 5. So this value is 5, right? So we have restricted that your A angle is where your A angle is belongs to quadrant number 1. First quadrant, all are positive. And pi to 3 pi by 2, that is 180 to 270 means it is belongs to quadrant number 3. This is important, guys. What we require, sine A is given, we require cos A. What is cos A? 5 divided by 13. 5 by 13. So I can put here 5 divided by 13. Clear? And we require sine B also. Again, we can make use of the right angle triangle because cos B is given to you. This is your theta, ABC. And what is cos B value? Minus 3 divided by 5. And this minus is not necessary, guys. You can write afterwards according to your angle, according to your quadrant. We are in
Sir,
third.
here we'll get 4.
And here, as you know, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square by right angle triangle formula. You said that there is a relation between 3, 4, 5 and 12, 13 and 5. AC square value, it is hypotenuse 25. AB square is the requirement for us. BC square means it is 9. 9 will be on right hand side, left hand side. 25 minus 9 is equal to AB square. This is equal to how much? 16. So from this, what is AB value? AB value will be given as that is 4. And make use of this is 4. This is 4. And he's asking what? Sine B. Sine B. Sine B value is how much? Sine theta. It is AB, that is 4 divided by 5. But minus sign will assign. Why? Because your angle is belongs to quadrant number 3. Third quadrant, sine is not allowed. Only tan and cot will be allowed. So you can take minus sign, guys. Minus. What we can write? 4 divided by 5. This is equal to minus 36 minus 20 divided by, it is 65. This is equal to minus 56 divided by 65 is the required answer. Yes, please, you can ask.
Sir, how we can know in which quadrant is it lying?
He has given, no? Downside he has given pi less than b less than 3 pi by 2. This is clearly given to you. And this is clearly given to you. If you are perfect in first two classes, you can identify the quadrant number. Your total angle will be divided into 4 parts. This is the first quadrant, 0 to pi by 2. Second quadrant, pi by 2 to pi. Third quadrant, pi to 3 pi by 2. That is 270 degrees. And fourth quadrant, 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi. If you are perfect in first two quadrants, it's very easy to find out the rest of the,
So first 2 classes, sir.
yeah, first two. Any doubts? Any other doubts from this question?
Sir?
Yes.
Sir, why we had to take theta in at C only, sir, in both the cases? Why can't we take at A?
That's your choice. You can take A means you have to change its positions. I can take this is theta and everything will be changes here. Instead of this, you can take A and this is C. That is your choice. Similarly, angle B is given to you. So this must be B and this is a C. That is your choice. But if I'm changing automatically, the rest of the part will be changes. So I can fix it. Okay. So Pythagoras theorem, by making use of Pythagoras theorem, I can fix it and I can follow only AC as the hypotenuse and the rest of the two sides will be that AB and BC. That is fixed. I have fixed it. Otherwise, that's your choice. You can use any one of these side will be the hypotenuse. That is your choice.
Sir, and one more thing. Sir, I have some doubts from the test, sir. Could you clarify them, sir?
You can post your, because even I have sent the, what we can call the solutions also. You can post your questions. I'll send the answers. Okay, no problem.
Sir, question
To
number
Rajesh, sir.
16 and 18, sir.
Yeah, question number 6 and 18. 15, 18. I'll post the answers, no problem.
Okay, sir. I got the answer, but I'm not understanding how we can do that problem, sir.
6, 15, 18. Okay. And few of the questions are repeated, I think.
Yes, sir, from the classes only.
Yes, very good. Let's have another question. Let's have the another question before a discussion of the next concept. And I'll try to give you for your practice the next problem, fifth one. And you don't worry, as I said, number of times, if you are perfect 50% of these classes, it's very easy to understand the concept of the next coming years, guys. Here, the condition, the concept of the restriction is important. In which quadrant that you are standing, that is important, right? Tan A is given to you. Tan A is given to you. That is 5 divided by 12. Next, cos B is given to you. It is 3 divided by 5. Is asking cos of A plus B.
Sir, in question that
how
is
much?
15 by 2 or 5 by
12.
12. Sir.
5 by 12. 5 by 12. Is asking cos of A plus B is equal to how much? Where A comma B are acute. A comma B are acute angles. Acute means?
Less than 90 degrees, sir.
Right, that means 0 to 90. That means you can play in the first quadrant, quadrant number 1. Clearly he has given. Yeah, both are in quadrant number 1. The next problem, problem number 6. These two questions are left for you. If A is restricted in fourth quadrant, less than A, less than 360 degrees, and 90 degrees, less than B, less than 180. So A is in fourth quadrant. B should be in which quadrant? B.
Second quadrant.
90 to 180. Second quadrant, very good. Cos A is given and tan B is given. that is minus 15 divided by 8. Why you are getting minus? You can understand the quadrant number. Then find the value of sine of a plus b. Find the value of sine of a plus b is asking. Sine of a plus b. So these are the two questions for your practice, guys, and we'll try to discuss in the next class. These two questions, if you feel anything difficult, I'll try to go for the next concept, that is the trigonometric ratios of multiple angles, multiple. And this is also one important concept, trigonometric ratios of multiple angles. Trigonometric ratios of multiple angles.
Sir,
Yes.
Sir, Ritvik posted in chat that he's not able to solve a single problem also in the test, and he's not able to identify which formula to use, sir.
That's I'll discuss later for him. No problem. Okay. If you're not perfect in synopsis, the formulas, the classes, if you're not understanding one particular concept, you have to listen recorded classes. Then only you can understand. Within just 30 minutes, you cannot understand, guys. Once you have to revise the concepts what we have taught in the previous classes. Okay. And if you are proving all the concepts, the time is not permissible, right? So at this level, even we cannot understand. As I said, if you are perfect in 50%, then it's very easy. First one, what we can call it as a multiple angles. Multiple angles. Suppose A is an angle. If A is an angle, then the multiples means 2A, multiple of something, that is 3A, 4A, and so on, called trigonometric ratios of multiple angles of A. Multiple, I mean, we are multiplying with some scalar. Multiple angles of A. Clear? This is the first point, right? And suppose if you are taking A by 2, A by 3, A by 4 like that, we can call it as a submultiple angles. If A is an angle, then suppose if you are dividing by A and dividing by 3 and so on, they are called submultiple angles. Submultiple angles of A. Hope you can able to understand what is meant by multiple. Mean just if you are multiplying with one scalar quantity, that is 2A, 3A, 4A, and so on, they are called the multiple angles. Sum and difference, we can call it as a compound angles. Sine of A plus B, sine of A minus B, cos of A plus B, cos of A minus B. So those are called compound angles, right? Let's have the discussion of few of the standard formulas. The first one under this, sine 2A, sine 2A is equal to 2 sine A cos A. 2 sine A cos A. If you want, you can use any value of A and you can prove. If you want, you can use any value of A. Suppose if I'm taking A value as 60. If I'm taking A value as 60, you can take it as 60 degrees, or A value as 30. I can take A is equal to 30. And you can verify. If I'm taking LHS value, let us see LHS. What is LHS? Sine of 2 into A value is how much? Is it 30 or not? 30. Sine 2 into 30, sine 60. What is sine 60 value from the table? Root 3 divided by 2. And RHS, I'm going to check whether RHS value is also same. It is 2 into sine A. A means what? 30 into, and what he has given? Cos A. A value is what? It is 30 is equal to 2 into, what is sine 30 value? 1 divided by 2. What is cos 30 value? Root 3 divided by 2. 2 cancel. That means what? You are going to get root 3 divided by 2. LHS value is what? Root 3 by 2. What is RHS value? Root 3 by 2. That means what we considered here, the formula what we considered here, is it true or not? True. Why? Because the left hand side value is equal to the right hand side value. Not only 60 degrees. If you want, you can take any value. Sir, I want to take 0. Yes, you can take 0. I'm taking A value as 0 and I can check. LHS value, LHS. What is LHS he has given? Sine 2 into 0 degrees. That is sine 0. Sine 0 degrees is what? It is 0 only. A right side value, RHS. Right hand side, what he has given? 2 into sine A. A means 0. Cos A. A means 0. So 2 into sine 0 value 0. Cos 0 value 1. 0 into anything will be 0 only. So your answer is 0. LHS is equal to RHS. You can take any value, not only these two. If you want, you can take 45, 90, 60, and you can verify. You will get the same answer. Like sine 2A is equal to 2 sine A cos A. Right? And
Sir, this is also a formula.
it is a formula. Yes.
Okay, sir.
Next, B point I am taking. B point, sine 2A is also equivalent to 2 tan A divided by 1 plus tan square A. I mean, sine in terms of tan. Sometimes I can make use of this formula also. Sine 2A means what? Either 2 sine A cos A or 2 tan A by 1 plus tan square A. Sir, how we can get 1 plus tan square A, 2 tan A by 1 plus tan square A? If you want, you can put A as 30 degrees and you can verify. You will get the same answer. A what I am going to take? 30 degrees, right?
Sir,
So
now
30
you take,
degrees.
sir, now you take another value, sir.
No. Already I proved for 30 degrees LHS. I'm going to take only RHS.
Okay, sir.
2, you can verify. You can take different values and you can check. 2 tan 30 divided by 1 plus tan square 30. I'm taking tan 30 degrees. This is equal to 2 into tan 30 degrees 1 divided by root 3 by 1 plus tan square means 1 by root 3 whole square means it is 1 by 3 only. 1 by root 3 whole square. This is equal to 2 divided by root 3 by 3 plus 1, 4 divided by 3. Take its reciprocal. 2 divided by root 3 into 3 by 4. 3 divided by 4. 2 times cut. And 3 by root 3 means it is root 3 divided by 2. You are getting the same answer, same value. That is LHS is equal to RHS. What is LHS? Sine 2A. Sine 2A already we have calculated as root 3 by 2. Even if I'm taking in terms of tan, I'll get the same answer. Root 3 by 2 only. Right?
Sir,
Sine 2A will be what? Yes.
sir, in 2 by root 3 into 3 by 4, 2 and 4 are cancelled, but
Yes.
3 is remaining now, sir.
Yeah, 3 by root 3 means what we can write. For 3, I can write root 3 into root 3 divided by root 3. 1 root 3 will get cancelled. Numerator, I'll get root 3. And denominator already 2 is there. Ritvik,
Then
is it
what will
clear?
happen to the numerator 3, sir?
Numerator 3, I can write it as root 3 into root 3.
Okay, sir.
Root 3 whole square means square and square root. Cube and cube roots concept is there. So one number I can write it as, suppose 3 is there, we can write it as root 3 whole square. 1 root 3 will get cancelled. So similarly, I can write cos 2a, same as the sine function, cos square a minus sine square a. Even we proved also, guys, like sine function, how we have proved. And I can write it as 1 minus 2 sine square a. It is also same. And tomorrow's class, I'll try to prove. And I can also write it as 2 cos square a minus 1. And I can also write it as 1 minus tan square a divided by 1 plus tan square a. So how many formulas are there for cos function? Total 4. If you want,
4.
you can write cos and sine only in terms of sine, only in terms of cos, only in terms of tan. There are 4 formulas. And then C point, tan 2a.
Sir, once again, could you explain how cos square a minus sine square a became 1 minus 2 sine a?
That is what tomorrow in the next class I'll try to prove each and everything. You don't worry. 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. This is the...
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes, please.
Sir, in the blue color, 2 by root 3 by 4. How it become 4 by 3, sir?
2 by root 3.
How it became 2 by root 3 by 4 by 3, sir?
Yeah, take LCM. Denominator, take LCM. Denominator, 1 plus 1 by 3 is how much? 4 by 3. By taking of LCM, cross multiply. 3 plus 1 by 3, 4 by 3. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, take LCM. You will get 3 cross multiply. 3 into 1, 3 plus 1 divided by 3. It will become 4 by 3. If it comes in numerator, 4 by 3 will become 3 by 4. Right? These are the 2 formulas, B and C. I need to explain even in the tomorrow's class. I'll try to prove how it will become as a sine and a cos. Okay.
Sir, tan
If
has
you-
only tan only, sir. No cos and sine.
Tan, no cos and sine, because sine and cos combination is tan. And even if you are splitting this, you will get the previous 2 points.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so tan is tan only. We don't have any cos and sine. If you want, you can write this tan as sine by cos. Again, we can make use of these cos 2a and sine 2a formulas. Already we have written. Okay. So
Okay,
that's
sir.
it for today, guys. In the
Thank you.
tomorrow's class,
Okay.
I'll try to discuss again B and C points. That's it for today. Good night, guys.
Okay,
Good night
sir.
to all of you.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Thank
Bye,
you.
good night.
Good night, sir. Sir,
Thank
can
you,
we
sir.
leave the
Bye,
class?
sir.
Yes, definitely you can.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir. Good night, sir.
Bye, sir. Good night, sir.
Bye.